Thought I'd just open a few warded locks on camera, just for fun. They're honestly not too hard, it's more or less just finding the right spot more than anything, and trying not to get your pick stuck. All you need to open warded locks is a warded lock pick. I got mine off of Covert Instruments. And I have had very good luck with them. I've picked quite a few warded locks with them, and so far they've just been great. Like I said, you're trying to find the levers. You can feel a little spring to them whenever you find the right spot. And you gotta kind of turn hard on some of them, which is why these come in 32 thousandths. There it is. Have a great day.